Hey guys, it's Cerise. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise, and I'm doing my favorite kinds of videos, unboxing videos. So I feel like when I'm a bit down, I like to go online shopping. And I've had a lot of things go on in my life recently. If you guys haven't been following, there's problems with my house still. Yeah, there's problems with my freaking house still. I unfortunately didn't get into the NYX Face Awards, but that's not, you know, that's not anyone's fault but my own. I just need to kind of like step up my game, get a bit better, and yeah, I'm kind of glad I'm not in it, because if I had got in it, then it would be so freaking stressful and hard. So yeah, I didn't get into that, so I was a bit sad about that. I thought my hair appointment was this week, so my hair is so bad. It's actually next week, so I'm like, oh my god. I had so much stuff I wanted to film for you guys, and I'm like, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. The show must go on, and like just a whole other bunch of stuff. Like, yeah, life's hard. Life's hard, guys. So I thought I need to pick me up. I'm gonna buy some stuff. BH Cosmetics had like an Easter sale, so it wasn't that long ago that I got this stuff, and it finally arrived, so I'm so excited. I kind of don't really know what I brought in the end. I was just kind of like, I'm just gonna buy a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna treat myself. So I thought what I'm gonna do is just like put it here, open it up, show you guys. Anyway, I better get to it because you guys are here to see what I brought. So let's have a wee look-see. So first, I got the Blush Neutrals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette. I know I did get this on sale. BH Cosmetics have sales all the freaking time. I made sure that shipping was to New Zealand was actually free, because if it's not free, it's actually $75 to ship to New Zealand, because shipping is awful. So yeah, shipping was free. That's the reason why I got stuff from BH Cosmetics, and I've been wanting to get stuff for freaking ages. So yeah, the fact that I could is really awesome, because yeah, I've been wanting it for ages. So it was like, spend $75 and get free shipping to New Zealand. Well, internationally. I was like, that's the shipping right there, so I'll do that. Anyway, let's open this up. Oh, it's got this slip cover. So yeah, this is the Blush Neutral 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette. I thought, this is freaking beautiful. These colors here are like exactly the colors that I use, and what I was thinking is that this is like a good kind of, what's that palette called? The peach palette. I'm like, this is like a good peach palette, like dupe. So what I'm going to do is I'm like, I just want to like swatch this red one here, and she's got some pigment. She's got some pigments. Let's kind of see how it goes on. I mean, it's not like super blowing me away, but I have the Shane XO palette, which is actually on my eyes at the moment, and I am obsessed with that one, and I love it. So I know that the shadows will kind of be the same. So I try not to get one with, oh, bitch, look at this. Oh my god. Ooh, that's pretty. That is so freaking pretty. That's so pretty. Oh, okay. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get carried away now. No. I was like, oh, you're gonna get carried away if you start like swatching stuff. Okay, this is the last one I'm swatching. And that is freaking gorgeous. Like, look, it's just like, it's like a dupe for the peach palette, guys. It's like, so I kind of want to get my hands on the peach palette. I'm going to probably borrow it from a friend, because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. As you can like see, this is the one. And then I have one up here, and I'm just like, I have too many. Like, I don't need any more. But I so do. I so do need more. And then I've had so many requests for this. The Kali Bible palette, or Bible. The Kali Bible palette, the Bible palette. I've had so many requests for this, and I've been wanting to try it for so long. But again, like I said, with shipping, it's just really not worth it. So the fact that it was so cheap, I was like, yes. So yeah, this is it here, and it's got a mirror, and it's very luxurious how it's marble, so I quite like that. And again, a very nice color story. I love my neutrals, so I'm actually really excited. I really want to try this freaking highlighter though. Like, are you joking? Look at that. That is stunning. And this white one, I'm like, this is like Jeffree Star dupes. Like, there's so many videos I could film with this. Like, just comment down below if you guys want reviews on any of these. This color, this is like one of the Shane XO colors. Like, this is legit the color I'm like wearing on my eyes right now. Like, I wonder, it would be the same too, because oh my god, that is not the color I'm wearing on my eyes. Look at that freaking color. That's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Oh my god, this needs a review. Yes. Yes, it does. Okay. You guys asked for it, or you're gonna ask for it in this video, and I'm gonna give it to you because I need that. Okay. So I got some brush holders because I've been eyeing these up for ages, and I'm like, why not get them, treat myself to some brush holders. And I got two because I have a freaking shitload of brushes, as you can see, and I've already got brush holders for them, but these are like legit brush holders. Like, look how pretty, and they're like marble, and they say BH Cosmetics on there, and it's got this little, oh, let's do a little, oh yeah, check that out. That is so cool. So yeah, I can like get all my brushes out of these that I have them in, which is still pretty, but I'm like, I can put it in here because when I get my new beauty room at my new house, which will eventually happen, I want to like set up everything real crazy, real cool, and have like a nice, like, not marble table because that shit's expensive, but I want to have like a nice table. So I'm like, I got my 2 marble things that go with my Carly Bleu palette, and then what else have I got in here? Got like a whole bunch of like weird stuff, because it was like, you know, if you spend over a certain amount you get something, and then you spend more and more and more and you get like more stuff for free. So I was like, hell yeah, I'm doing that. So this is the Studio Pro Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. Oh, so it's like, look, it's like real pretty. It's like, oh my god, that in the light is like stunning. That is so pretty. So I guess you just mix it together and use it to remove. So I thought, you know, you can never have enough like removers and that kind of thing, and it was really cheap. So I thought, why not? I'm gonna get that. And then I got this one here. So I wonder, because it was like $7, guys. I had to get it. So this is one of the foundations. So I thought this would be a really good thing to do a review on. So I'm just gonna, that was a lot. It doesn't smell like anything. Like sometimes when you get the cheaper foundations, they kind of smell like paint and stuff, like the Wet n Wild one. Blech. So let's see if it's like kind of my color. It's like real kind of thick. I think I'm gonna do a video on this though. That is my color look. Like legitimately. Oh my god, now I need a cloth. Oh my god, that is such a good pairing. That like, because I mean underneath my like tanness, like I'm actually that color. So that's actually really exciting that I picked the right color. Yes. Yes. Okay, I need to like put it back in its thing. Yeah, if you guys want reviews on any of this, like I said, just let me know. But yeah, I do quite like doing these unboxing videos because it's kind of like a, what do you call it? Like I'm like opening my presents that I brought for myself, because no one buys me stuff. I love gifts, so I'm like, yes. So this was like real cheap. This was like $9 or something, and it's a contour highlight and blush palette, and I thought this looks just like the freaking Naked palette. Like, don't you reckon? Like, look, that looks like, I was like, wait, does that like come out? Like, look, that looks like the Naked palette, like a dupe for it. But I'm looking at the packaging now, and it looks really cheap and like shitty. Like, look what I was looking at is this. I'm like, what clips into there? Like, it looks like something should clip in there. I'm really confused. BH Cosmetics, what clips into there? That's really weird. I think I might swatch like one of these bronzy colors. I hope that this isn't like crap. I mean, it didn't really do much. But the thing is, like, if these things were crap, it's kind of like, well, it was like $9, so, I mean, $9 US, so it like pretty much doubles here, but like, you know, it's cheap. It's cheap stuff. Cheap but good, I guess. Alright, so the freebies. No, hang on. I need to get on to more stuff that I brought. Not the freebies yet. Okay, so what I got a brow highlighter because I really want the like Benefit Cabrow. And I thought, well, this is like kind of the same. So this is like a shimmer version. Oh my god. Oh, to like go as a brow highlight. Look, it's in the middle of my wrist. That is really pretty. I don't know if that's like coming up. I need to do it on this side of my hand. But that is like a cream one, which is like really like pink. And then this is the shimmer one, which is actually really pretty as well. Oh my god. That's freaking exciting because I've been wanting one of these for ages, and I'm like, this was like $4 or something. So I thought, why not? And then what I decided to buy, because of all the glitter palettes that I have and I've done reviews on, I thought, why not get a silicone brush to put it on my eyes with? Because then I won't need to get all these like fancy brushes. So I just got like a plain silicone brush like this, which I'm actually really excited to try. And it is a really cute brush as well. I haven't tried any of the BH Cosmetics brushes. And I guess this one's kind of different because it's silicone, but I'm actually really excited to try that and see how it goes. But okay, so that's all the stuff that I brought there. I think all up I spent like $115, so I think that's not too bad. No, I didn't. That was my first order, and then I got rid of a bunch of stuff. I think I only ended up spending like $80, but it worked out to be $115 in my money, I think. Right, I'm gonna put my sleeve back up now. Like my pants are just covered and stuff. I usually wear pajama pants so I can just wipe it all on. Like if you guys want to behind the scenes, like it's disgusting. Don't. Anyway, so one of the free things was this mini pink kabuki brush. So I was like, you know, freebies, I'm gonna get it. Why not? Okay, so that's, it's so cute. Look how cute that is, like a little puff. Just like a little tiny powder puff. That is so cute. I'm like, bitch, look, my wee powder puff. I love that. That's so cute. Yeah, if you guys want a review on the little like powder puff, it's number 36. 36, bitch. Alright, so I put the little powdery puff away. You can go in there, boy. And then this was one, so they don't actually sell these, so it must be like a little sample thing or something. But it's the Neutral Eyes to Go 6 color eyeshadow palette. So I thought, well, you know, well, I didn't think anything. It was free, so I just got it. Like, I'm not going to give up free makeup sort of thing. Okay, cute. So it's like almost like it looks like a kid's one because it does look very cheap. It's like a very cheap kind of plasticky one. But yeah, let's give this a wee kind of swatch and see. Oh, it's actually got some pigment to it though. Look. It's actually really cute. So I swatched that first one, as you can see, and it originally had that shimmer on it. So maybe the shimmer disappears if you swatch it. Yep, the shimmer disappears if you swatch it. That's actually a real pretty shimmer though. Just swatch that there on my hand, see there? I'm like, this is not a good angle to be doing it. But yeah, pretty much the shimmer comes off when you swatch it, but that's okay. And then I got one of these sponge applicators that no one really uses, but one of the Benefit products, the brow stuff, they put on with these sponge applicators. So I've been wanting to get a sponge applicator to use on my brows because I feel like they'd be real good for brow powder to stick to your brows. So I'm gonna try that and see how that goes. If you guys want a video to see if it works, then I'm down. But anyway, this was free too. And then what I thought was really cool is there was a free 4-piece eye brush set. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm not streaming, but there was a free 4-piece brush set. Look how fancy. I've got like a BH Cosmetics wallet. Bam! Look at that. I'm like ready to do stuff. I wonder how good, because these were free. So it's like, I wonder how good these actually are. So it's like a 4-piece set. So let's pull the first one out. Okay, so it's a blender brush. So it does feel very, like, very soft. Like it feels like it might be horsehair or something. Like it does feel real soft. So I ain't made it that one. So that one's really cute. So I'm like, oh yeah, I haven't tried BH Cosmetics brushes, but like literally I am now. Okay, and then this one is just like one that you'd put normal, it's like dust coming off as I'm flying that around. Can you guys see that? Just a normal eyeshadow brush. That would be really good. It's a nice like travel set, like a really good travel set. And then this one here would be good for, it's just like another little blendy brush. This one looks a bit more coarse in here there. A bit more coarse, but I mean, that's alright. We can deal with coarse, that's fine. And then this kind of synthetic-y one that you could stick on shimmers with or something. So yeah, those don't look too bad. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately. Unfortunately, I've already done my face. So I won't be trying these brushes today, but if you guys want me to try them, then by all means, let me know. But yeah, I guess this was my BH Cosmetics haul. Yeah, what was my favorite thing out of them? Out of the free stuff, I'd say this eyeshadow palette is actually pretty dope. Dope, where did that, I don't even know where dope just came from. But this eyeshadow palette, for it to be free, and the colours are actually pretty pigmented, so, like, I'm not that mad at that. That's actually really cool. And it's cute as well. I love these brush holders. I think that they're really cute. I've always wanted like a marble brush holder. But yeah, you can't really find them in New Zealand. New Zealand's a very small country, so it's not readily available. I'm really excited for the silicone brush and the brow products and the eye and lip remover. So it's kind of like all packed in nicely there. I'm super excited for the Carly Babel palette. Yes, and then this I'm not super excited about, but I was like, I need to get it because it's just so pretty, and it's always good to have a contour kit. And I actually don't have a contour kit. Strange, like, funnily enough. I did have one, but I gave it to my friend because I was like, oh, I have so many contour kits and I literally have none. So I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, don't have a contour kit, but now I do. And then this I'm so excited for too because I love big giant palettes. So yeah, I'm really excited. And I love my Shanique So palettes. So yeah, I love them. So I love the shadows. So I know immediately now I'm actually going to really like the shadows and stuff. So I'm so excited. And from what I've swatched so far, it does seem like it's a really cool set of products. So I am really, really excited for them. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. A lot of people commented on my Miss A haul video. And they're like, oh my god, like do more haul videos. I love when you do haul videos and stuff. So yeah, I mean, I buy a lot of stuff. Like I buy stuff for my rats. I buy like clothes, a lot of clothes, because like sometimes it's better to buy them online, buy shoes. And saying that, I am quite frugal, like I don't spend a lot, but when I do, it's a haul. That's why I'm like, I want to share it with the world, so that's why I do share these things with you. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. What was your guys' favorite item in here? What do you want to see me use? Because I know I'm excited for quite a lot of them, so because I wouldn't buy them otherwise. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe wherever the subscribe box is, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.